Founded in 2010, Shenzhen Atnj Communication Technology Company Limited has focused on micro-power repeater, antenna series, and passive components since then. Communication is one of the cornerstones of Global Village. As a supplier to solve the poor mobile signal problem, Atnj prides itself on understanding its clients' needs and developing the right products to fulfill their requirements. Please get more information about us on our website www.szatnj.com. R&D team with 20 years experiences only focus on one thing that solves all the poor mobile signal problems and helps you to connect the world more easily. With professional engineers, staff, and senior management personnel, our group maintains high-speed, innovative development. Meanwhile, our up-to-date facilities and technology advancements ensure successful, long-term development you can be fully confident in. Our company has passed ISO 9001-2008 certification. Our products have obtained CE and RoHS certificates. We can provide both OEM and ODM service. In 2015, we launched our new products with smart LCD display while refreshing the era of mobile phone signal amplifiers instead of the traditional designs. Smart LCD shows the real-time signal strength and operation guidance. To date, we are the global mobile signal booster manufacturing. At Atnj, we bring the best products and services to customers in EMEA and worldwide.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.